Hey everyone, welcome to Review Product. Keeping your car's windows spotless isn't just about aesthetics, it's crucial for your driving safety. But battling those stubborn streaks, grime, and fog can be a real challenge. I'm Review Product, and today, we're diving into the best car window cleaner tools and products. We've researched the top 5 essentials that will help you achieve a streak-free, crystal-clear view every time. Ready to see the road ahead with perfect clarity? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Best Car Soap. Kicking off our list at number 5 is a product you might already have, Best Car Soap. While primarily used for washing your car's body, a high-quality car soap is incredibly effective for exterior window cleaning too. Its main advantage is that a good pH-balanced formula effectively lifts dirt, road grime, and bug splatters from your windshield without leaving streaks or residue. Unlike harsh household detergents, it provides excellent lubrication, which helps prevent scratches during washing, ensuring a clean and clear surface without extra effort for the glass. Pros: pH-balanced formula, safe for car paint and glass, prevents streaking. Effectively removes dirt, grime, and bug residue. Can be used for the entire car exterior, simplifying your wash routine. Provides good lubrication to help prevent scratches. Cons: not as specialized as dedicated glass cleaners, may not tackle stubborn water spots or oily films as effectively. Requires thorough rinsing to avoid leaving soap film, only suitable for exterior glass, not interior. Key features: pH-balanced, good foaming properties, gentle on surfaces. Number 4. Best Car Sponge. Next up at number 4 we have the often underestimated Best Car Sponge. Choosing the right sponge for your car's glass is crucial for a scratch-free shine. Its main advantage is its ability to gently lift and trap dirt particles away from the glass surface, significantly reducing the risk of scratches that can happen with rougher materials. A good car sponge holds a lot of soapy water, providing ample lubrication for a smooth glide across the glass. It's comfortable to hold and helps ensure a thorough, safe clean, setting the stage for a streak-free finish. Pros: gentle on glass surfaces, minimizes risk of scratches. High water retention, provides excellent lubrication for cleaning. Effectively traps dirt particles, preventing redepositing. Comfortable and ergonomic for handheld use. Cons: not suitable for very small crevices or stubborn spots. Lacks precision for detailed cleaning. Requires thorough rinsing after use to prevent dirt buildup and odors. Doesn't offer any cleaning power on its own. Needs car soap or cleaner. Key features: soft texture, high absorbency, non-abrasive. Number 3. Best Glass Cleaner. Sliding into the number 3 spot, we have the dedicated Best Glass Cleaner for your car's exterior. This product is specifically formulated for glass, and its primary advantage is delivering an impeccable, streak-free finish that regular car soaps can sometimes miss. It effectively cuts through road film, bug splatters, tree sap, and water spots, leaving your glass sparkling clear. High-quality glass cleaners are usually ammonia-free, making them safe for tinted windows and ensuring they won't damage surrounding car surfaces. It's a simple spray and wipe solution for superior exterior glass clarity. Pros: provides a crystal-clear, streak-free finish designed specifically for glass. Effectively removes tough road film, bug splatters, and water spots. Ammonia-free, safe for tinted windows. Easy spray-on, wipe-off application. Quick drying to prevent streaks. Cons: may not be optimized for interior glass grime, fingerprints, haze from smoking. Can dry too quickly in direct sunlight, potentially leaving streaks if not wiped fast. A separate product from your general car wash soap. Key features: streak-free formula. Ammonia-free, fast evaporating, effective on exterior grime. Number 2. Best Interior Glass Cleaner. Our runner-up at number 2 is the essential Best Interior Glass Cleaner. The grime on your interior windows, like fingerprints, vape haze, or dust film, is different from the outside. The main advantage of this specialized cleaner is its ability to effectively remove interior contaminants without leaving a greasy residue or streaks that can impair visibility. It's formulated to be safe for your car's interior materials, dashboards, plastics, vinyl, and often dries quickly, ensuring crystal clear vision from the inside. It's paramount for eliminating internal haze that can cause glare, especially when driving at night. Pros: specifically formulated for interior glass, tackles fingerprints, haze, dust, and smoke film. Streak-free finish ensures perfect clarity from the inside. Safe for interior surfaces, won't damage plastic, vinyl, or dashboard materials. Quick drying and often residue-free. Enhances visibility, particularly against glare. Cons: not designed for heavy exterior dirt or bug splatters. May require multiple applications for very heavy interior films, e.g. from smoking. Can be a separate purchase from your exterior glass cleaner. Key features: residue-free formula, anti-haze properties, safe for interiors, fast drying. Number 1, best reaching tool for windows. And finally, crowning our list at number 1, it's the best reaching tool specifically designed for car windows. For large SUVs, trucks, or even just tricky angles in any car, reaching every corner of your windshield can be a major pain. The immense advantage of this tool is its extendable arm and pivoting head, allowing you to effortlessly reach and clean the entire windshield and rear window from the driver's seat, both inside and out. It typically comes with washable microfiber pads that ensure a streak-free clean, eliminating awkward stretches and missed spots. It transforms the most frustrating part of window cleaning into a simple, efficient task, guaranteeing a completely spotless view every time. Pros: effortlessly reaches all corners, perfect for large windshields or hard-to-reach spots. Extendable arm and pivoting head, provides maximum flexibility and angle control, uses microfiber pads, ensures streak-free and scratch-free cleaning, reduces physical strain and awkward stretching. Often features a compact, foldable design for easy storage. Cons: requires cleaning, replacing microfiber pads regularly. May feel slightly flimsy if it's a very budget-friendly model. Might be overkill for very small car windows. Key features: extendable arm, pivoting head, microfiber pad compatibility, ergonomic grip, compact storage.